Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create the rich AI video trend on TikTok. So if you want to change your picture as a rich person on TikTok, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, you want to first go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. If there's an update, go ahead and update the app. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're tapping on search and you're searching for the following account, Rich AI Effect. Now in the results, you'll go ahead and tap on any videos that are doing the trend. So all of these videos are doing the trend. So we'll go ahead and tap on any of them. And as you can see, it converts a normal picture into a rich person picture. So to use this effect, go ahead and tap on Effect, Rich Me AI, tap on that. Then we'll go ahead and tap on Use this effect. Here we'll go ahead and take a picture from your phone library, or you can take a picture of yourself. And now give it some time. And there you go guys, it has changed the picture completely. It's basically changed the theme on it to make it look more rich. And there you go guys, that is how to use the Rich AI filter on TikTok.
Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.